Hi, I'm Maureen. I'm the Executive Director of the Charlotte ToolBank. We are a nonprofit library of tools and special event equipment for other charitable groups. Our goal is to make sure that they have all the equipment they need for a successful fundraiser, outreach event, or direct project serving their clients. All of our items are available to charitable organizations whenever they need, whether they need 100 tents or just one. Our partners take responsibility for the items when they borrow them. That means maintaining everything, keeping it clean, and returning it back to the ToolBank so it's available for other organizations. Fernando's now going to talk to you about how you need to return items after the event.
Hi, my name is Fernando with ToolBank Events, and I'm here to talk briefly about the tools and equipment that we use for our events. The tools that we use are the tent, table, chairs, and weights. The longevity of these tools depends on us and how we treat them, and it is important that we return all the equipment as we receive it. For example, for the tents, let's make sure that we are not leaving any zip ties, any bungees, or any ropes. The tables, let's make sure that they are dry and wiped down, and let's make sure that we're not taking any of the equipment and tools from the premises of the events, so we can maintain the cost of the rentals low and the entry fees for you guys should remain low as well. And I hope to see you at our next event hosted by ToolBank Events.